Do y'all want to look like this during this quarantine winter? I mean, come on. Come on. Come on, get into it. Get into it. Look, I'm serving you face. Here you go. I'm giving you face. Hey. Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Lex Marie with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look right here. You guys know I am simple with it. I'm simple with it, but I do try to adjust it just a little bit for different seasons. So I just thought, you know, hey, like, let me just do an updated, you know, makeup routine for the winter, because I slayed the summer, okay? I slayed the summer. And I just wanted to show you guys another look that I have for you all, but for the winter time. For the winter time. If you haven't already, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you do want to see more makeup content like this, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below. But without further ado, let's just hop straight into the tutorial, because you want to get this face now. You need this face now. So the very first thing I'm going to do is use my moisturizer slash sunscreen. And the only reason I still use sunscreen is because, you know, the sun still comes out during the winter time. I don't know if you knew that, but I use my Neutrogena sunscreen, and it does not leave a white cast at all. It actually is really moisturizing, and I don't know, it works well with my oily skin, so it's something that I have been using frequently. Next, I'm going to be using my Master Prime Maybelline primer. I love it. It has a wonderful ability to blur my pores. So definitely, if you are someone that is oily, I would recommend just use it. It basically makes your pores look like they don't exist. So I still have my technique where I put a little bit of powder under my foundation. And the reason I do this is because I know people say that their skin varies throughout the year and they're oily during this time or dry, you know, during another time. But for me, I am oily year round. And I feel like low key, you know, the summer is worse, but winter does not help a girl out. Most definitely, I am constantly oily. So I try to, you know, make sure my skin is hydrated under my makeup, but I still try to make sure it's not overly oily. This will forever be my favorite foundation. I'm just gonna tell y'all, I'm sorry, you know, I'm sorry. This is probably, you know, the best foundation I've ever used. And, you know, they say don't, you know, change a good thing for a new thing. And this is definitely a phenomenal thing. So I'm going in with my Fenty foundation. I will be adding more foundations to my repertoire after Christmas. But for right now, this is just my go-to for my everyday look.
So something that I started doing was just making sure I blend out my concealer first with my disposable sponges. I actually get these from, I believe, CVS. They're only like $2 for like a whole pack. And I love these just because, you know, I use them and I can just throw it out. But it does a pretty good job blending. So what you're going to see me do here is just blend as much as I can out with the sponge, and then after that I'm going to go in with my brush just to kind of make sure everything is fully blended out, because you don't want to be that person that has a full like inverted triangle on their face, especially when you take pictures, because Lord, I have seen it and it is not it. So make sure everything, you know, it's fully blended. Like you see right here, I'm blending my forehead, bringing it out, blending, going in again, bringing it up to my nose, and just making sure everything just looks smooth and even. So something that I've been doing recently just to bring my entire look together, I use my finishing powder by, I believe, Black Radiance. I am going to show it in the video, but I use the Soft Focus Effect finishing powder. And when I'm telling you, y'all, like, if you want to just feel complete, like your look to just come together, this is something you have to add to your routine just to make sure that everything is just all out. You know, it looks even, it looks smooth, and it doesn't look too cakey. So y'all see I'm trying these Spider-Man lashes, all right? I tried the Spider-Man lashes just for the sake of this video. Like, that is literally, like, if you see me wearing these lashes, 9 times out of 10, I ain't going nowhere. I just wanted to give it a try because I forgot who I was talking to, but your girl, I like my lashes to end at a certain distance. Me personally, just because, and this sounds crazy, but when I wear my glasses and I have to drive, sometimes, like, if I wear super long lashes, they get in the way. And also, it's just like, I feel like I don't need to wear super long lashes for every day. But I was like, you know what? Why not? Let me do something. Let me switch it up for y'all. And I just decided to put these lashes on. But let me know what you guys think. I tried to get them super wispy so it wouldn't look like, you know, what's her name? Ari Fletcher, whatever her name is. The real Kyle's sister. I don't know, but we all know who I'm talking about. If you've seen that girl on Instagram with crazy long lashes, I was just not trying to look like that. I want y'all to see my face. But now I'm going in with my Kiss pencil What was I doing? Oh, I was watching, y'all. The reason why I do voiceovers is because I'll be watching Sex in the City. Ciao. But I was putting on my Kiss lip liner, and I go in with my Downtown Beauty NYX lip liner. You see me looking over. But yeah, I mix those two together to get that chocolate dark brown instead of just that black brown color. And what I'm telling you guys, when you see the final product, it makes a difference. Look at me, not even paying attention. Lord have mercy. What did I tell y'all? What did I tell you guys? I know you're looking at me and you can say, oh, okay, I see what she did there. I see what she did there with the combo. You can't tell me this is not a slay. So let me just do my hair and come back to y'all.
Okay, so this is the final look that I have here. I actually might add a little bit of gloss, just a little bit of gloss. But I know this is giving you spring, but it is always springtime with me, okay? This is how I do my makeup, my everyday makeup routine in the winter time. And I just want to say this really quick. You guys, if you are oily, if you are just combination skin, T-zone, oiliness, you need to still moisturize. You need to still put on SPF. You need to still make sure that those areas are getting the hydration that they need, especially in the winter time, because what your body will do will overcompensate and have more oil on your skin, and you do not want to do that. So definitely let me know how you guys like this makeup look. I will be probably doing more makeup looks, especially with more eyeshadow, because I know you guys like to say I don't put on eyeshadow, and it's just because I don't know how to put on eyeshadow. But I have been practicing. And I'm going to have simple looks for anyone. Literally anyone will be able to do these looks. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. And if you do want to know what hair I have in my head, check out the video after this. I did a full review on this unit, so definitely be sure to do that. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.